Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to add plot style table. So as example, if you type plot will be show for the plot model dialog box, and then if you go to the plot style table will be show for the default plot style. And if you want to add new plot style, you can type OP to open the option dialog box and then go to the publish and plot tab. Click on plot style table settings. After it, you can click add or edit plot style tables. So be sure for the folder plot style, and you can copy and paste your plot style into this folder. As example, like I will use this plot style, you can copy and then paste into this folder. So we have this example plot style. Click close, and then you can close in here. Now you can type plot, enter, and then go to plot style in drop down menu. Will be not sure for the example plot style. You can close again. It will be automatically refresh, and then you can type plot. Now we can go back to the drop down menu and will be sure for the example plot style. So that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to add plot style.